y'all, I have been so thirsty throughout my pregnancy. I just be drinking everything. Like, I'm just always thirsty. Like, always. It is so... So, yeah, back at the fridge because I'm thirsty. So, I'm probably about to drink my, I really been drinking Saratoga's, spring water. The sparkling one. It's so good. Really trying to not drink pop, so I get the Saratoga carbonated water because it has like that pop taste. It's not the pop taste. Y'all know what I'm talking about, like the bubbles and everything. I need that. That's what I need. So it is so good though. It's like so crispy, especially like when it's cold. So yeah. Now I'm going up the stairs into our bedroom so I can fold my honey clothes. Try to make sure I fold his clothes before he come home. Because I just don't want to have to do it later. I don't know why he have these pants hanging up here. Oh, I also have to iron these, which is the MJs, and pack these up. I started to put them in a mesh bag for the dryer so it doesn't allow the tie-dye to get everywhere in my dryer. So yeah, we better go ahead and pack these bad babies up. I just missed the postal lady, which sucks, but I'm just gonna have to have hubby drop them off later. If you sew and make clothes, my question is, what do you listen to while you're sewing? Or do you sew in silence? Some days I just sew in complete silence. And sometimes I'll put on the word. Or I will put on People's Court. I like watching that because I don't know, I just like seeing different scenarios and how things turn out. I'm trying to see how people's minds work. Yeah, especially over like money and stuff. I'm just wondering. And a lot of people, they just don't have common sense, so it really be different looking at all that. But this is my favorite part of sewing, or the I'll say the business, I'm not gonna say sewing. Just packing people orders and getting it out of my door. I love it. Feel accomplished, you know.